Learn Hindi transport words. Traffic to.
Bus stop.
For English speakers. Welcome to the noisy city. Hey, you are about to survive a very dramatic day of travel in Hindi. Don't worry, the buses are late, but your learning is right on time. You step into a busy city morning and instantly meet your first word, traffic, which in Hindi is
यातायात.
there is a lot of
यातायात.
in the city. Then your smart friend says, forget driving. Let's use public transport. In Hindi, that is
सार्वजनिक परिवहन.
good.
सार्वजनिक परिवहन.
Makes a city better. Already, you sound like a traveler who knows what is going on, or at least like one who can complain correctly. Your survival kit. Before you go anywhere, you need the magical objects of public travel. Yes, one of them is a tiny piece of paper that controls your destiny. The first magic object is the ticket.
टिकट.
I need a
टिकट.
for the train. The second is the timetable.
समय सारणी.
I checked the
समय सारणी.
before leaving for the station. Without a
टिकट.
your journey stops before it starts. Without the
समय सारणी.
your journey becomes a guessing game hosted by chaos. At the station. Now imagine you are at the station, looking calm on the outside and slightly confused on the inside. Perfect. That is real travel energy. You look at the wall and ask, where is the timetable? In Hindi, you can say the key word.
समय सारणी.
Then the clerk asks for your
टिकट.
You proudly show it like a hero in a low-budget travel movie. A huge sign announces more
सार्वजनिक परिवहन.
connections. Suddenly, learning Hindi feels very practical and slightly cinematic. Oops, wrong train. Every learner deserves one small travel disaster. It builds character, vocabulary, and a healthy respect for station signs. You get on a train, sit down, smile, and then hear, no, you need to change trains here. The key Hindi word is
बदलना.
we need to
बदलना.
at the next station. If you forget to,
बदलना.
you may end up in the wrong city, making new friends, new memories, and a new level of confusion. So remember, one journey sometimes needs a little
बदलना.
the road drama. Not all transport problems happen on trains. Sometimes the road itself decides to become a slow-motion comedy. Traffic is
यातायात.
Traffic is slow this morning. Today
यातायात.
is very slow. But a traffic jam is more specific.
जाम.
There is a huge
जाम.
on the road. So if many vehicles are moving badly, think.
यातायात.
If nobody is moving and even a turtle looks impatient, think.
जाम.
A little serious moment. Let's learn one important safety word too. We keep it simple, useful, and respectful. An accident in Hindi is
दुर्घटना.
the
दुर्घटना.
blocked the road for an hour. If you hear this word, you know something serious happened. It is useful vocabulary for news, travel, and emergencies. Bonus memory trick.
दुर्घटना.
Sounds dramatic because accidents usually are. Waiting by the road. Now let's leave the train station and go to the humble place where people wait, stare into the distance, and wonder if the bus is just imaginary. The bus stop in Hindi is
बस स्टॉप.
I am waiting at the
बस स्टॉप.
The
बस स्टॉप.
is near the market. This one is easy to remember because it sounds close to English. Sometimes language learning gives you a gift, and this is one of them. Mini dialogue challenge. Time for a fast, funny review. Listen and see if you can follow the travel chaos like a pro. A. Why are you late? B. Because of.
यातायात.
A. Why are you very late? B. Because of a huge.
जाम.
A. How do you travel in the city? B. I use.
सार्वजनिक परिवहन.
A. Do you have your ticket? B. Yes, I have my
टिकट.
A. Where can I see the train times? B. Look at the
समय सारणी.
A. Do I stay on this train? B. No, you must.
बदलना.
A. What happened on the road? B. A.
दुर्घटना.
A. Where are you now? B. I am at the
बस स्टॉप.
quick memory sprint. Let's lock everything in. Repeat after me, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. Traffic.
यातायात.
Public transport.
सार्वजनिक परिवहन.
Ticket.
टिकट.
Timetable.
समय सारणी.
Traffic jam.
जाम.
Accident.
दुर्घटना.
Change trains.
बदलना.
Bus stop.
बस स्टॉप.
Friendly goodbye. You made it through the city, the station, the jam, and the suspiciously dramatic timetable. Nicely done. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Hindi travel words out loud.
यातायात. सार्वजनिक परिवहन. टिकट. समय सारणी. जाम. दुर्घटना. बदलना.
And
बस स्टॉप.
thank you for listening, and keep practicing a little every day. Your Hindi is moving forward, even when the traffic is not.